fuzzy friend keychains. Do you see the differences here? Quite obvious. But guess what I found? Another variation! Yes! Yes! Tell him, Donald! Tell him! Okay, I'll tell him. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns. Only one roll of candy in here? Come on, give us more. Any and everything down below. Now then, I have a pig. I have another pig. I have two pigs. But if you look at the PEZ stitching on the belly, one is a dark pink, the other is light pink. There are differences. Even though they look the same, big differences. Maybe two different runs, because this one right here, I think they call this the Barnyard series. And then this one here is the Pets series. Who has a pig as a pet? Anybody? Maybe I need to get a pig for a pet, but the hotel won't allow it. But what they will allow is this variation. Very cool. And I've been looking at these things for years and overlooked it until now. So until next time.